to my channel. You already know what time it is. Bringing you guys this look today is a kind of smoky slash vampy kind of look. I really like it, especially the lips. Oh my god, love the lips. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. Keep on watching the video. But before we get into that, if you guys are not a part of this family, you should be, because we lit over here. We litty. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you would never miss an upload. Also, if you like what you see in this video, be sure to like, comment, share with others. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. And comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you all want to see in the next video. Yeah? Let's get on into it, guys. You've made it through my talkative intro. Thumbs up. So, we're going to replace brows in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so now that I've done my brows and prepped my eyelids off camera, also primed my face. Now what I'm going to be doing here is using some of that Sacha Buttercup and putting it on my face. Now the purpose behind this is more or less to keep my makeup matte and in place, and to help absorb some of the oils throughout the day, because I do have really oily skin. Just using my beauty blender to accomplish that, using a fluffy brush to set my eyelids, also with the Sacha Buttercup. Going in with my Jordana palette and a flat brush. I will be taking that gold shade, very pretty gold shade, to highlight my brow bone. You want to be blinding them out there. Just highlighting, you could say the last quarter of the brow bone. Going into my ColourPop eye palette, I will just be taking the color Go Wish. Yeah, I think that's the name of it, Go Wish. And I will be using a medium-sized fluffy brush, you can see, to just place that on my brow area as one of the transition colors that I will be using. Going in with a smaller shader brush just for definition, using windshield wiper motions. I'll just be dragging that back and forth using the same color just to blend it out a little better. Back into the ColourPop palette, using the color Pitter Patter, which is very pigmented, by the way. All of these colors in this palette, super pigmented. Love it. So I'm just placing that slightly lower than the previous transition shade. Going in with this black color here with the same brush. I'm just going to be placing that on the outer V of my eye, just to smoke it out a bit and to give it a little depth. I'm also taking it in a little, we could say halfway about my lid. Now using my Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, I'm just going to do kind of a half cut crease, we can say, the inner half of my eyelid using an angle brush. Now this took me forever, but it's worth the process. Just have to take your time for the precise lines. Blending that out and setting it in place with that fluffy brush using Sacha Buttercup, of course. Now going in with this pretty gold shade called Never Never from my ColourPop palette again, and I'll just be placing that on the inner part of my lid. These colors again are so pigmented. I didn't even need to prime my lid before using this because the color payoff is so rich. Just using that fluffy brush from before to blend out any harsh lines. Now I'm just using this big brush to get away all of the loose powder that was sitting on my face. Now I will be color correcting just to hide a little bit of the imperfections so that our makeup could be looking flawless. When in doubt, just keep blending. I've realized that since I've been using the Oil of Olay toner, it has lightened up a bit. Now that I'm looking like all the blood has rushed to my face, I'm just shaking my concealer from Loreal in the shade C8. I'm placing some at the back of my hand, and I will just be blending that out about my face using the bottom of my damp beauty blender. The blending process is the longest process of putting on makeup. Now using these two Aloe Pro Concealers in the shade Toffee and Warm Honey, I'm just going to be using that to highlight my under eyes, my forehead, down the center of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. That's to hide them bags, honey. Using my damn beauty blender, I'll just be blending that right on out. No harsh lines over here. Guys, I'm sorry if you are hearing the noise in the background. Blend for your life. Just being sure to get rid of any lines of demarcation. Okay, so now that we have blended and gained some more muscle mass in our arms, I'm going back in with that Sacha Buttercup and just setting the highlighted areas of my face. So now that I look like a full-fledged clown slash nutcracker, I'm gonna just go in with my face powder and a large brush, kabuki brush, just to dust away the excess powder that is on my face, as well as to blend out any lines and set the rest of my face in place. Now I'm just using that black shade and another angle brush just to smooth out the bottom lash line. And I'm going back into my ColourPop, taking that gold shade again and just popping that right onto my inner tear duct area. Oh my god, I look like I'm drowning. Just spraying that setting spray. Now in the Anastasia palette, using the Glow Getter, I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender just to press that highlighter into into the areas that I want to highlight. The high points of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. I learned this trick from Jaclyn Hill, guys, and since I've learned it, I haven't looked back since. It really does give you a smoother finish when you apply with the beauty blender. Just prepping my eyelashes with some mascara before I place on my falsies, and here we are, falsies. Using the same mascara again just to blend everything together, my lashes and the falsies, as well as put a little mascara on my lower lash line to have my lashes pop a bit. Now for the lip, using this Sacha Intense Matte Lip Velvet in the shade Revitop. I'll just be applying that all over my lip. Now guys, seeing that this is a matte lippy, I recommend highly that you all moisturize your lips before using it, because it does have a tendency to be extremely drying. Love it. Quick wardrobe change, guys, and yes, glow for the gods. I thank you all very, very much for sticking through the video and watching to see how I achieve my look. And if you guys like what you see, please like, comment, share. Don't be afraid to subscribe, guys, because I do post videos every week. So yeah, join the family. Bye guys.